Hi, this is Holmes Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of espresso machines for beginners. Finding the perfect one can be overwhelming, but fear not. We're here to guide you through the top picks, features, and everything you need to know to brew that perfect cup of espresso. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more helpful content. Number 1. DeLonghi Magnifica Essicum 22.110.b, the ultimate coffee maker for those who appreciate convenience and quality. This automatic espresso machine combines style and functionality to deliver delicious coffee drinks with ease. With its built-in milk frother and soft touch control panel, creating barista-quality beverages at home has never been simpler. The ECAM 22.110.b features 2 hot coffee drink recipes, allowing you to enjoy your favorite espresso or coffee creations at the touch of a button. With its powerful 1450W motor, this machine ensures quick and efficient brewing, while its sleek design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. Say goodbye to long lines and expensive coffee shop trips and hello to the perfect cup of coffee every time with the DeLonghi Magnifica Essicum 22.110.b. Number 2. Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Machine, the perfect addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. With its sleek stainless steel design and advanced features, this programmable coffee maker takes the hassle out of brewing your favorite espresso and cappuccino drinks. Equipped with an automatic milk frother and a powerful 15-bar pump, the Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Machine ensures rich, creamy froth and bold flavor with every cup. Its programmable settings allow you to customize your coffee just the way you like it, while its compact size fits perfectly on any countertop. Say goodbye to expensive coffee shop trips and hello to barista-quality beverages in the comfort of your own home with the Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Machine. Number 3. Philips 3200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine with Latte Go, the ultimate solution for coffee enthusiasts who crave barista-quality beverages at home. With its sleek black design, the EP3241/54 adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. Equipped with the innovative Latte Go system, this espresso machine delivers smooth and silky milk foam for lattes and cappuccinos without the hassle of tubes or parts to clean. The fully automatic operation allows you to customize your coffee with ease, while the intuitive touch display ensures a seamless brewing experience. Plus, with its compact size and removable brewing unit, maintenance is a breeze. Say goodbye to long lines and expensive coffee shop trips and hello to café-quality drinks in the comfort of your own home with the Philips 3200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine with Latte Go. Number 4. Chibo Single Serve Coffee Maker, the ultimate solution for coffee lovers seeking convenience and quality. With its built-in grinder and automatic espresso and coffee machine, this innovative appliance eliminates the need for coffee pods, ensuring a fresher and more flavorful brew every time. The Chibo Single Serve Coffee Maker offers versatility and customization with adjustable settings for grind size and coffee strength, allowing you to tailor your beverage to your preferences. Its sleek and compact design fits seamlessly into any kitchen space, while its user-friendly interface makes brewing your favorite coffee drinks a breeze. Say goodbye to wasteful coffee pods and hello to delicious, freshly ground coffee with the Chibo Single Serve Coffee Maker. Number 5. Gaggia Brera Super Automatic Espresso Machine, the perfect blend of style, convenience, and performance. Crafted with quality and precision, the small yet powerful machine delivers delicious espresso drinks with ease. With a generous 40 fluid ounces water reservoir, the Gaggia Brera ensures uninterrupted brewing sessions, while its super automatic features make it effortless to create barista-quality beverages at home. The intuitive controls and programmable settings allow you to customize your coffee experience, whether you prefer a strong espresso shot or a creamy cappuccino. Plus, its compact size makes it ideal for any kitchen countertop. Say goodbye to long lines and expensive coffee shop trips and hello to the perfect cup of coffee every morning with the Gaggia Brera Super Automatic Espresso Machine. In conclusion, finding the best espresso machine for beginners doesn't have to be daunting. With the right features and guidance, you can start brewing delicious espresso at home effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share it with others who may benefit from it.